Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Amazon gift card balance for UPI payment. Ever wondered if you can use your Amazon gift card balance for UPI payments? Unfortunately, the short answer is no. Amazon gift card balances are locked within Amazon's ecosystem, meaning they can only be used for purchases on Amazon itself and cannot be transferred to a bank account, withdrawn as cash, or directly linked to UPI services like Google Play, PhonePe, or Paytm. Since UPI payments require either a supported bank account or a compatible wallet with withdrawals features, Amazon gift card balances simply do not qualify for that kind of transaction. There are a few workarounds people sometimes try, such as buying product on Amazon and reselling them for cash, which can then be used for UPI payments later, though that obviously takes more effort. Some users also look into third party balance exchange services, but those can be risky and may involve scams or account issues, so they're generally not recommended. Overall, the safest and simplest option is to use the gift card balance strictly for Amazon purchases instead of trying to convert it into UPI funds. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.